Hey, this is Mike with Paver Nursery. We're out here in Hickory, North Carolina today, working on a hardscape patio extension for one of our clients. So far, this is what we got. We got our upper patio complete. We got everything washed down. It's been really dusty and dry, so we're just trying to keep this project and property clean for our clients.
I'd rather be slow.
And so far on this bottom section, we got all of our gravel screeded in, and we're ready to lay some pavers Monday. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, Brandon Settlemeyer with Settlemeyer Nursery, and we're at our Hickory, North Carolina project. Take a look at what we've done here. Beautiful large slab crab orchard flagstone. We've went in with our black Unilock pavers. We've mortared it so it's there. It's going nowhere. Got some beautiful 3/4 inch Squirrel Creek stone here. Right now the guys are putting down the seed and straw and all the nutrients on the post cleanup here. We've got a nice natural walkway leading up to this 2-level patio. Take a look. So when we got here, this was just rough grade. And so what we did is we brought the upper patio up to the step grade here, extended it out. It's gonna have an area to do his cooking and grilling. Step down onto the lower patio where they can do their outdoor seating and have guests over. Right here, the guys cut and took off a slab of concrete. Got a nice landing here. Unilock 3-piece Beacon Hill smooth, wrapped in dark charcoal all the way down to the edge here. From here all the way around, we've edged the entire bed with the banding that we used in our patio and mortared it as well. They had some extra river rock left over from the excavation here that we repurposed all the way around. So right outside of the house, we tied in the brick paver all the way around. We've got the black charcoal, runs all the way up to the front step. Nice accent border. Once again, fully mortared in place. It's gonna stand the test of time. So guys, we're in the front yard, and what we did is we took this plain, not so good looking space. We elevated it with our Belgaard retaining wall block. We've leveled it out. We've made a beautiful 6-foot circumference. We can salute the flag right here in the front yard. We've got the river rock in there. Just a beautiful accent to the front. Here in front of the garage, it was just a plain bed. We added some curly leaf ligustrum, beautiful Obsession Nandina in the staple, the Hydrangea tree. Capped it off with Obsession Nandina and more curly leaf ligustrum. Little extra curb appeal right here in Hickory, North Carolina. If you're looking for landscape design and construction, hit us up at settlemeyernursery.com.